And to remove an element, the remove method removes the specified item. For example, cars, then inside cars Maruti Suzuki Fiat 2019 and 10. So if you write cars dot remove, then in that case cars dot remove and should be 500. Then print cars. In that case should be 500, which we had just added, will be removed. And then there is pop method. The pop method removes the specified index. If you don't specify the index, it will delete the last item. For example, cars Maruti Suzuki Fiat 2019 and then 1000 cars.pop, then print cars. Let's see with example. So here this car list have 4 elements. Now if I just cars.pop, now try to print and let's see what result does it show. So it's my inside F drive, then cd dot then cd python cd core. Oh sorry, it's not inside React.js actually. cd python cd core, and then python list2.py. So here you can see Maruti Suzuki Fiat 2019, the last element 1000 has been deleted, has been popped up. And now there is clear method. As its name suggests, clear method clears the complete list. So in this case cars.clear, and then try to print, it will show you nothing. Here we have applied clear method. So now this time let's try to print again. So here you can see it is displaying a blank list here, blank list. So it cleared everything. If you just comment this one, sorry, not here actually. Comment here and try to print again. In this case, it is displaying the complete list. So clear method clears the complete list. And now the next one is copy a list. Make a copy of a list with the copy method. So here is cars, then Maruti Suzuki Fiat 2019 and 1000. So new cars. So here cars.copy. So using copy method, you can copy a complete list into a new list. So here if you try to print this new car, in that case it will display the same result. So just let's modify this one here, this print and clears. And try to run the code. So here you can see now printing this new car displays the same result. That means this complete list has been copied to a new variable list called car. So this way you can copy the complete list to another list. Now the next thing is the list constructor. We can also create a new list using list constructor. For example, colors red, green, and L colors list, and then apple, banana, cherry. Now try to print colors and see the result. So here this one has been created using list constructor. So here you can see you need to write a list and then two parentheses, and then if you try to print this one and run, it will display these results. The next one is extend method. Add the elements of list to the end of the current list. With extend method, you can add the element at the end of the list. For example, here this is sizes, so it is small, medium, and large. So what I'm doing, that apart from this, you are also extending or adding this list. So that means it is more of like merging two lists. So let's see with example. So in the first list, this is the first list and this one is second list. Then ultimately the first list is extended here. So if you try to print this color here, if you try to print this color, then it will display you this one, the list of the colors. But if you try to print this time the sizes, in that case it will display the merged list. So here you can see it is displaying colors, sizes, as well as the colors. So what is this? So these colors has been added into this list using extend method, and extend method normally adds at the last of the element. And to reverse the order of the list, then simply write reverse. So the order of the list will be reversed. For example, here the first one is red, green, and blue. So if you try to print this time, it's a display. Sorry, we have not printed, that's right. So let's print it. Sorry, print. Now let's run this code. So you can see it has been reversed. The blue, this blue has come past here. So to reverse the list, you need to use reverse method. And finally, in the list there is sort method. To sort the method, simply write sort. So if you just comment this one and then colors dot sort, so it will sort in ascending order. Here I can see it is displaying blue, green, and red as alphabetical sorting. So that's it about list. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. In the next video we will see tuples in Python.